This tutorial covers the entering of a leveraged FX collar. The first step is to select FX Leverage Collar from the Deal Entry drop-down menu and hit Enter. A leverage collar means that the amount of foreign notional being hedged at the protection rate is different to the amount hedged at the participation rate. The benefit of a leverage collar is the ability to achieve more favourable protection or participation rates than a standard collar. We will use an example of a New Zealand-based exporter converting US dollar receipts into New Zealand dollars, i.e. buying NZD and selling USD. The first step is to choose the appropriate currency pair. Next, we need to select the direction. For our exporter, this is buy NZD and sell USD. If the deal was from an importer's perspective, then we would flip this to be sell NZD and buy USD. The text at the bottom of the input screen will help make sure you get the direction correct. Next, we can enter the strike rates. The protection rate is the strike on the purchased option and represents the worst case rate. In this example, the protection rate is 0.75. The participation rate is the strike on the sold option and represents the best case rate. In this example, the participation rate is 0.65. The foreign amount of currency being hedged is entered here, and we're using $1 million in this example. The leverage ratio is entered here. In this example, we are using a 2-for-1 ratio. Hedgebook displays the foreign currency hedged amount at the participation rate. Next, we select the key dates, which are the trade date or start date, the maturity date or expiry date, and the settlement date. If any premium was paid, then that can be entered in these fields here. The counterparty, references, and comments can be entered here. Once we are satisfied the information is correct, then we can save the deal. Once saved, Hedgebook generates a unique deal ID, shows the deal under the FX Leverage Collars section of the instrument tree, and displays within the info panel.